Why the wolf howls at the moon. The moon, the moon, the glorious moon, which shines so bright in the glimmering night. Day by day and night by night, the moon shines in the glimmering night. And night by night, the wolf asks the moon, "Oh when will I see you again?" The moon replies, good night, I will see you another night." As daybreak comes, the moon goes down. The wolf calls out, the moon, the glorious moon, which shines so bright in the glimmering night." This poem was written by Paul C. Moller.